in order to make today's Moroccan-spiced chickpeas, I prepared the bag already with the cooking instruction for the Instant Pot. So this way it will be easier and I won't have to dig for the recipe once I want to make it. We have a 1/4 cup chopped onion and 1 chopped garlic clove. Then we're going to put 1 tablespoon each of chili powder and cumin. So chili powder is here. Faithful. There we go. Cumin is here. So that is also a tablespoon. A little extra cumin never hurt anyone. 1 teaspoon of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Look at this bright yellow, it's so pretty. And 1 teaspoon garam masala. There we go. 1 teaspoon sea salt. So for lack of sea salt, we're going to use kosher salt, which I've been keeping in a Tostitos jar forever and a half. Maybe I'll get a sponsorship out of it. A dash of cinnamon and cayenne. So cayenne pepper, 1 dash of cinnamon. And so we have our basic spices. What is needed is also 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 cans of 14 ounces of fire roasted diced tomatoes, second can with the juices. Look how pretty. 2 cans of 14 ounces of chickpeas that have been rinsed. So it's very important for you to rinse the chickpeas. Just don't dump out of the can with the juice. You really need to rinse them until the juice runs clear. And we're going to add them to our lovely spicy mix. And we're going to mix everything together. We're just going to put everything in this lovely prepared bag. So from the frozen, you just put them in your Instant Pot or, you know, whatever other brand there exists. From frozen, 15 minutes at high pressure with a quick release. And I usually have my very lovely boyfriend to help. However, this time he's filming. So can you hold this, please? Just grab onto the bag, making all those lovely splat sounds. Yay! The black parts are the char from the roasted tomatoes, so no worries. They're good. There we go. Then we just seal the bag. Voila! So we're going to freeze that flat in the freezer. This way we can layer and it won't take as much room. There you go. So easy peasy and can last forever. See you next time on Apocalypse Kitchen, and we'll be making a lasagna next.